I think we all live in this amazing world of apps, right? We carry so many of them on our phones, and we use many of them. But do spare a thought for all those people who spend their life day in and day out working on enterprise applications. Our vision is to make you, especially those who work in financial services business, think days, think flexibility, think cloud, and yet have a very robust system that can manage your financial transactions. What we are going to present today is our insurance technology, InsurTech as it's called, and to describe how we do it, what we do, Shiva and I am going to enact a play. I'm going to don the role of a deal maker in an insurance company, and Shiva, my colleague, is my geek. So ready? Let's get started. Hi, Shiva. I have a deal to announce. We have signed a multi-year contract with a large corporation that's going to give us about 500,000 customer audience and an opportunity to sell 7 to 8 of our products over the next many years. So can you set me a system which I, as a deal maker, can run and manage?
Thank you, Prakash. So it makes me relevant to keep working for your company. Okay, let me log into our Gradatim Insure OnDemand policy administration system. So what I'm going to do now for you is basically set up a policy. So I have already templated the required policy of our system. So I believe you're looking for the family floater.
Yeah, I think a health plan would be good enough because that's something which we can go live with this customer as quickly as possible.
Let me copy it for you. This is basically a railways corporation, I believe. So you have a policy. It's basically a group Mediclaim policy, and it's a retail group system. Okay. So you have a policy created in place because you did the templating, and what kind of distribution channel are you going to provide for this company?
So one of the modes we would like to distribute this is through the corporate intranet portal. So I would require online, and I would require an omni-channel because I'm assuming most of the employees would probably use it in any way they want, either through the tablets or through their smartphones or whatever.
You need to set up omni-channel direct and online direct. So when I enable these two offers for you at the back system, you have these two channels available for you.
So just to ask you the question again, now these channels are set up and ready to go?
Yes, of course.
That's great.
Okay. As a deal maker, you would have, of course, to get the policy, you would have given some discount. So let me see how good is your sales strategy. So what kind of discounts have you provided for this company?
Well, so we have offered this corporation an 18% discount on the family health floater plan. Okay. And I hope I make it without having to do get an approval done.
So our online profile analysis for this group based on our big data analytics says that you could have provided 22%, so you have made a deal for 18%, so we are in game for this. So let me go and set up this percentage for this particular company. So you need to set up a discount for this guy, and then, okay, this discount is configurable. You have given it as a percentage basis and not as a direct amount. Okay, 18% discount. Okay, so you're all set, Prakash, so you can go ahead with the deal now.
So how would my customers access this? What do they have to do?
Okay, so you have an employee portal. So this is basically the portal for our employees of this railway corporation. So each employee can access to this portal, and you have some certain information to directly buy a policy for you. Okay, this is your policy administration system. So you have various parameters you can collect online, and then you can provide a policy.
So ladies and gentlemen, I am a deal maker. I carry a piece of paper with me. I still write. If I can manage my system, my entire insurance system, without having to take minimal assistance from my IT team, I don't think I can ask for more than that. These configuration screens help you set up your product, process, communication channels, your underwriting, and everything that you need, the commissions that you want to set up. And I, as a deal maker, can go ahead and try and understand the behavior of my customers. I get to know who likes golf, who likes Chinese food. I can see who is submitting a claim. I can see when enrollments are happening. I can see and manage endorsements that need to happen. And for an end consumer, this becomes an online portal, as simple as that. How have we earned the right to be here? We have earned the right to be here because in the last 18 months, this system has onboarded a whopping 50 million plus policies across commercial lines of business, retail lines of business, and small ticket insurance products. That's it, what I wanted to share with you. Enjoy the rest of the show, and I'm sure most of you might be waking up tonight to see who trumps today, right, in the US elections. Thank you.
Thank you very much.